Going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Intelligent Investor channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you could buy a Metaverse land specifically for the game Velhalla through Rare Gems, which is a secondary NFT marketplace that you can use to buy these lands when they're no longer available on the main page. In this video, we're going to go through 3 different steps that you need to do in order to buy your land. But first, if you like content like this, you'd like to see more videos on the Velhalla project, videos on different NFT and crypto projects, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so I can let you know when I drop the next video. So as I mentioned before, there are 3 steps that you need to go through in order to buy your land on the Rare Gems platform. The first step is choosing which type of land you want to buy. The second step will be funding your Velos wallet, which is where you need to have the funds in order to buy the land on Rare Gems. And the third step, after you have chosen your land and you have funded your wallet, is going ahead and buying the land that you want and making sure that it appears in your wallet. Now that we have gone over that, let's get started with the first step. So step number 1 is knowing which type of land you want to buy. So in this case, what I'm trying to accomplish is to combine 4 of my wastelands. Now you can see here that I have more than 4 wastelands, so I could just go ahead and do the exchange. But what I want to do is I want to level up my lower level wastelands, which means I'm going to transfer these other wastelands to another wallet, which is something I'm going to explain to you in the future when I do the land combine video. But in this case, just know that I need 1 more wasteland in order to do the exchange that I want to do. So now, since I know that a wasteland level 1 is what I want to buy, now I need to go over to the Rare Gems website, which you can find by typing in raregems.io on your browser. Go over to the Velhalla tabs, which you should see on the main page. Click on the Velos network. They're going to show you all the different projects that they have, and the Velhalla land should be one of the top ones. So you click here, and you can see that automatically all the lowest cost lands are available at the top, and the lowest ones are always going to be the wastelands. Just to make sure, you can always go to the filter tabs here on the left side of the page on Rare Gems. Click on the wasteland box. Now we can be sure that we're only looking at wastelands. Now that we have pulled up all the wastelands, we can see the cost for each one of them, and you can see that one wasteland right now is costing around 450 VLX. Now we just have to go check how much 450 VLX is, which I have already typed it in here on CoinMarketCap. You can see that it has a value of $18.85. I will automatically round that up to $20 just to make sure that you have enough for fees and whatever other expense that you may have. I actually consider maybe depositing $10 extra in VLX just to make sure that you have balance for this purchase and for any other future purpose. It's better for you to go over on the amount you're going to send over in crypto than having to do more than 1 transaction. So now that we know we need $20 in VLX, you can go on to the second step, which is funding your Velos wallet with enough VLX in order to complete this purchase, including going to PancakeSwap, buying SCAR of VLX through your BNB wallet, transferring it over to your Velos wallet using the Swaps platform, or you can also go the much cheaper route, which is doing this whole thing through Wagyu Swap. Now, I don't have these videos right now on the channel. I do plan on having them in the following weeks, but you can always refer to the main videos that the Velhalla group launched on their main YouTube channel. I will post a link to their main channel in the description below, and I will also post the links to those videos in the description below. So please pause the video, refer to those, and make sure you proceed with funding your wallet before we go on to the next step. Alright, so hopefully you've been able to fund your Velos wallet with enough VLX in order to complete this purchase. You can see that I now have 655 VLX in my wallet. Should be more than enough for me to buy this land and pay any fees due at the time of buying, which you're going to see in a second. So we're going to go ahead and buy this wasteland for 400 VLX. I just want to highlight here how inexpensive it is for you to transact on the VLX network. Remember that 1 VLX token costs less than 5 cents. So the fact that it costs a fraction of a VLX in order to complete this transaction, to me, is incredible. But we'll talk about that in another video. Here I'm just going to hit confirm. Wait for this transaction to go through, and it went through right away. Now the only thing that we want to make sure is that the land appears in our wallet. Okay, one thing that you can do to know that you're looking at the right land is obviously look at the coordinates or look at the token ID, and then we could compare it with the other lands that we have. If I go back here to the main Velhalla site, you can see here that each one of my items has an ID number and it also has coordinates. So that is why you want to pay attention to those numbers to make sure that you're not confusing one of your old lands with the one you already bought. So let's just give this a few seconds and then recheck. Alright guys, so after a few moments, I refreshed the page. Now you can see here in the transfer history, you can see that the last buyer was the person with my wallet. You can also see here that it specifies under owner that it is me. If I go to my MetaMask wallet and I go to my Velos wallet, you can see that they deducted the VLX. And now the last thing that we have to check is go back to the Metaverse tab in the Velhalla main page and make sure that the land appears here under the land section. Now before I have 5 wastelands. Now I have 6, and now you can see that I have 2 1-star wastelands in my inventory. Now to double check, again, we want to check this ID here. The one that we bought has an ID that ends in 958. So I just go here to the Velhalla tab, look for 958, which is the second one right here. And with that, we have completed the third step in the process of buying a land on the secondary market like Rare Gems for your Velhalla's account. As it may seem easy, you might run across a few errors on the way, and if you would like help with that, please let me know in the comments below, or you can just write directly to anyone through one of the Velhalla social groups. I personally recommend Discord, being that it's one of my favorite ways to communicate with people in the community, but you also have Telegram, Twitter, or their main YouTube videos. I really hope that this video was able to help you with this process in buying the land in the secondary market. I know it seemed very easy, but sometimes it's hard for people who are new into this world to manage through these sites and get the things done that they want to do efficiently. If you would like to see more content on the Velhalla project in the future or other videos in the crypto and NFT space, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so I can let you know when I drop the next one. As always, I would like to thank you for staying to the end. Let me know what you think about these videos and what other videos you would like to see on this channel. We are The Intelligent Investor, and I'll see you on the next one.